In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to round up numbers in Microsoft Excel. Rounding numbers is a common task in Excel, and knowing how to round up values can help make your data more precise and easier to work with. Excel provides a built-in function specifically for this purpose, allowing you to round numbers up to a specified number of digits regardless of their current decimal value. This is particularly useful when preparing financial reports, invoices, or any calculations where you want to avoid underestimating numbers. To start, open your Excel workbook and locate the cells containing the numbers you want to round up. Excel has a function called ROUNDUP, which you can use to control exactly how your numbers are rounded. The ROUNDUP function requires two arguments, the number you want to round and the number of digits to which you want to round it. Click on an empty cell where you want the rounded result to appear. Type the formula equals ROUNDUP and then select the cell containing the number you want to round. After the cell reference, type a comma and then enter the number of decimal places you want. For example, if you want to round up to 2 decimal places, type 2. Close the parentheses and press Enter, and Excel will return the rounded up value in the selected cell. If you want to round up to the nearest whole number, you can enter 0 as the number of digits. This instructs Excel to disregard all decimal points and round the number up to the next integer. You can also use negative numbers if you want to round up to tens, hundreds, or thousands. For example, entering -1 will round the number up to the nearest 10, and -2 will round the number up to the nearest 100. Another convenient way to apply rounding is to use the fill handle. Once you have typed the roundup formula in one cell, you can drag the fill handle down or across to apply the same formula to other cells in your column or row, quickly rounding multiple numbers at once. Using the roundup function ensures consistency across your dataset and helps prevent unwanted rounding that could reduce your values. Because this function always rounds numbers upward, it guarantees that your results will never be lower than the original value. This can be extremely helpful when working with budgets, pricing calculations, or quantity estimates where accuracy is important. Instead of manually adjusting numbers, Excel performs the calculation for you, which saves time and reduces the risk of mistakes. Another advantage of using formulas like ROUNDUP is that your worksheet remains dynamic. If the original numbers change, the rounded results will update automatically as well. This allows you to maintain accurate results even when your data is frequently updated or expanded. By combining the roundup function with simple techniques like copying formulas or using the fill handle, you can quickly apply the same rounding method across an entire column of numbers. This keeps your spreadsheet organized and ensures that every value follows the same rounding rule. And that is how you round up numbers in Microsoft Excel using the ROUNDUP function. With just a simple formula, you can control how numbers are rounded and make your data easier to read, analyze, and present. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.